We're at Wilbar Components. We're having a chat with Gareth Williams, who is clearly a massive fan of Hurco machines. They now have 10 in their portfolio. Gareth, why do you buy the Hurco machines?
We find they're the right balance of price and quality and capability.
So this latest one, which is a VMX 30MI, why did you buy this machine specifically?
We needed a slightly bigger working envelope and a little bit more power through the spindle to our smaller Hurcos for a long-standing job. Just wanted to make it more efficient.
So when you say efficiency, actually, should we look at the component and talk us through what it's actually done?
Yeah, sure. It's a manifold block that we manufacture for an earth-moving equipment manufacturer. Traditionally, we've had to set up for all four ends because of the deep port drilling as a separate setup, one at a time. With the bigger bed now, we can mount on a rotary table and machine all the outside ports in one hit, and then we only have two secondary operations for the two faces, which are all done as they're coming off the machine.
Great, so that bigger envelope has enabled you to reduce cycle times. Could you put a percentage on it?
Probably 30%.
So great reduction in cycle times, but you earlier mentioned the fact that Hurco have taken the time to think about the engineers who are using the machine.
Indeed, yeah, the new control's quite a step forwards for us. It's a much bigger, clearer screen, it's a more accurate touch panel, and just little touches like the manual controls, so when you're setting, are now magnetised, so you can stick them on the bed next to you or on the components. You haven't got to keep coming back out the machine to tweak anything, it's sitting there next to you for one-handed operation.
Okay, so the control here.
Yep. That just comes, it'll sit anywhere on the bed. And it's pretty robust. I can do what I need to do without having to come out of the machine and tweak. So I think it probably saves me half an hour on every changeover.
Gareth, a great example of Hurco providing you with the machines that you require and also adding that little bit extra and thinking about the engineers.
Indeed.